Hello everyone, this is Ananya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this very video, we will be talking about the admission procedure of St. Stephen's College. Since most of you might know that the very first cut-off list of the college has been released, so now we will look into the matter that what after the cut-off is released. So here we go. Very first aspect that we're going to cover here is the shortlisting of candidates. Once you apply for the admission in the college, then you will be shortlisted for interview and you will receive an interview call letter on your registered email IDs. So now comes the main aspect, that is how the interview will be conducted and what could be the expected questions that can be asked. So some of the components that might be included in the interview are your academic capability, your academic potential. So your marks do represent a lot of your academic potential. But apart from the marks, there are certain other things that actually reflect your academic potential, which will be portrayed during your interview. Now the second component that shall be included in the interview is your potential for co-curricular activities. Since St. Stephen's is a college that does not have a separate quota for ECA, so they look for candidates who have some kind of proficiency in ECA. So that might be one of their considerations during the interview. Apart from these two components, the other components that the interviewer might look into are some questions regarding general awareness, then your personal outlook on certain issue or something, then your motivation to do something. So these are certain things which the interviewer might look into consideration. The other basic components that might be asked are some questions about yourself. The candidate might be asked some questions about him or herself. Then there might be questions related to the candidate's future, the goals, his goals, her goals. So these might be certain questions. There can also be certain questions regarding the personal life, the hobbies, the hobby of the candidate. So these are some questions that might be taken into consideration. I think this sums up all the questions that might be faced by the candidate for the interview. So all the best for your interview. Now coming to the question that what after your interview. So a list of the selected candidates shall be published on the college website, and within the announcement of the result, you need to pay the fees and you need to confirm your address within 3 days of time. So if you do not confirm your admission within 3 days of the announcement of the result, then your admission is forfeited. Now coming to the waiting list. So the waiting list is made so that the candidates, if some candidate withdraws, so the other people who are in the waiting list shall be considered for the same. So this was entirely about the admission procedure of St. Stephen's College, and if you have any questions regarding the admission procedure of the same, you can ask your queries in the comment section. You can DM me on Instagram. If you like this video, then do press the like button, do share it with your friends. Thank you.